I met Dr. Lerman 10 years ago. I had breast cancer. I picked Dr. Lerman, he's not going to know this, but because he told me that I was going to look beautiful. So that really stuck with me. And he was so excited to show me all of the before and after pictures. My husband was so excited with those before and after pictures, and it just really, that first interview with him really stuck with us. Treatment that I did was I had a double mastectomy, and then I had reconstructive surgery. And Dr. Lerman had to put breast implants in me, so I had multiple surgeries with Dr. Lerman. He took so much time with me, and what impressed me so much was just the hand-holding going through each step with me. And his staff was incredible, he was incredible every step of the way. I didn't want to do all the stages that it took, but he dragged me along the way. Nope, you're doing this. Nope, you're doing that. I value Dr. Lerman so much. You know, I mean, people have rock stars as idols, and you know, I thank God for Dr. Lerman because he saved my life. I feel so beautiful because of Dr. Lerman.